Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I am here to unbox the August 2022 Beauty Heroes box. If you have followed my channel, you know that my posting has not been very regular. I mentioned in one of my other videos that my posting would be a little bit more intermittent. I am currently pregnant with twins. Sorry, my nose is itchy. And have been busy this summer doing a lot of getaways, like going away. We were in Cape Cod in Massachusetts last week with my mom and the kids, so that was really fun. And I'm excited though because I got this box on August 1st, so the day that they release, you know, the brands and everything. So I have no idea who the brand is or what the products are at all, which is exciting. And I noticed when my husband brought the box in, I'm like, does it say fragile? And it says, please handle with care, fragile, thank you. And I'm like, oh, I don't know if I've ever actually seen this on a box in the year or so that I've been a Beauty Heroes member. So my son is not here. My daughter is outside with the babysitter. So I'm like, all right, I can get this filmed and get it actually posted on August 1st. So let's do it. Okay, I'm so excited. I would love to see Nini Organics at some point. I'm trying to think who else. I'm not even going to speculate. Let's just see who we have here. Prima. Interesting. Never used anything from Prima. I know it has, they're like a CBD company, so I'm interested, but I'm also like curious if it's CBD related, if I can use it during pregnancy. So we'll have to see what they say about that if they do. So this is the box. I don't know if all their products have CBD. I think they do. I don't know about CBD use during pregnancy. I mean, like in your skincare, of course. Okay, it looks like we have 3 products, which is pretty cool. So let's open them up. All right, the presentation is just like so pretty. It's like, 3 new products. This is huge for me because I've been on this like huge no buy this year. I've purchased very little skincare. My Beauty Heroes monthly box is like my monthly fix of beauty products, and it's very exciting. So this is Beyond Body Oil, Stress Remedy for Body, Skin, and Senses. It has 600 milligrams hemp CBD. Let's see. Oh yeah, it says consult with a doctor if pregnant or breastfeeding. My guess is doctors would say don't use it. So these might end up being products that I can't use until after pregnancy, but I don't know. I do think one of my serums has like hemp liposomes in it, and I didn't stop using it. I didn't really think like a little bit once a day would be a huge difference, but I'm sure everyone feels differently. Right. You might hear sound in the background because I hear that my daughter and the babysitter are inside now, but I'm just gonna keep filming. So maybe they'll think I'm on the phone. All right, so we have the Prima Beyond Body Oil. That looks really pretty, and I love a body oil. I am gonna test it. I think that's fine. My skin is kind of dry after being in Cape Cod and at the beach and in the sun and stuff. Ooh. Oh gosh, dropped right into the box. Figured I'd spread some on. Nice scent. I like it. Just smell, I don't know, just no like particular scent, but we'll see what it says about it. All right, the Beyond Body Oil, 6 ounces for $56. It says, life comes with its fair share of stress. Nature knows this and provides a panacea in the form of plants, phytocannabinoids, chief among them. These potent hemp-based compounds play such an important role in our overall wellness that the human body has a special system designed just for them, the endocannabinoid system. Like a key unlock situation, cannabinoids unlock the body's natural ability to regulate stress, reduce inflammation and anxiety, and return to homeostasis. Whether ingested or applied topically, this active plant compound works as a master balancer, and it is this elegant relationship between whole plant hemp extract and whole body health, that is at the heart of Prima, the premier science-backed stress care brand for skin, body, and mind. Okay, so this Beyond Body Oil is, it says this is the hero product. It is ultra light and quick to dry. Actually, it is very quick to dry. And it's a silky body oil, wears like a second skin with no greasy finish, only luscious glow left behind. A base of skin mimicking jojoba, grapeseed, and apricot kernel oils is infused with 600 milligrams of single origin sourced certified organic CBD extract. Magnesium, a naturally occurring mineral in the body that helps regulate muscle and nerve function, is added to aid relaxation. Helichrysum boasts a wide array of protective benefits that support reduced inflammation and improved regeneration. A sustainably derived vegan squalane sourced from sugarcane helps seal in moisture, strengthens skin's barrier while softening its texture, and a sophisticated blend of cedar, ylang-ylang, celery seed, star anise, and patchouli leaves a calming veil of aroma. This is a body oil beyond ordinary. So the superpower ingredients are apricot kernel oil, helichrysum, jojoba oil, magnesium, organic hemp CBD, and sustainably derived vegan squalane. So nice smell. I would say like really faint and just kind of like fresh and stuff. So that is the Beyond Body Oil. It's a glass container. So I am excited about these. I just think pregnancy, you know, it might not be in the cards. We'll see. All right, next up we have R&R cream. This is Advanced Recovery Rub for soothing comfort. And this has 750 milligrams hemp CBD, eucalyptus, and menthol. This sounds like, almost like, dare I say, like Bengay or one of those like, you know, pain rubs for, you know, advanced recovery rub. So this is 3 ounces for $38. I really like their packaging. It's pretty. It has like gold on it, as you can see. Pretty. Okay, so this is head, shoulders, knees, or toes. Wherever stress comes up in the body, Prima delivers relief with R&R cream. Instant alleviation comes from the soothing synergy of cooling eucalyptus and menthol, invigorating tea tree, and relaxing peppermint, an aromatherapeutic blend that hits all the spots. A whopping 750 milligrams of organic hemp CBD supports the body's return to balance, providing deep and enduring anti-inflammatory benefits to aid recovery. With over 150 active components, lavender subtly encourages relaxation while imparting its well-known, well-loved scent. I don't love lavender. A lightweight blend of marula oil and shea butter act as a carrier for these functional botanicals while deeply soothing the skin. This is the one cream to carry for whenever you carry stress. I'm like, oh, I bet it would be great to have like a cream to like rub on my back or something, like as my like back pain might be more so like with this pregnancy, because I'll probably have like a bigger stomach and it'll put strain on my back. But it says a whopping 750 milligrams. So the superpower ingredients are eucalyptus, peppermint, menthol, tea tree, and organic hemp CBD. Is this open? This is sealed. So just because it's like a rub, I'm like, do I want to open it? Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to leave this one unopened, so I'm not going to show you guys the texture or tell you about the scent of this one, just because I'm not sure when it's going to be, you know, a rub that I'm going to use, given, I don't know. I mean, I use the other one, but because it's sealed, I'm going to just leave this one sealed. So that's that. Okay. And the last thing is probably something that I will not be able to ingest because of my pregnancy. So this is Sleep Tight Calming Hemp Blend for a Restful Night. And these are soft gels, so dietary supplements. And it's 20 milligrams hemp CBD per serving, plus 5 HTP GABA passion flower. And on the back it says, sleep soundly. And it says, adults take 2 soft gels before bedtime as needed to support occasional sleeplessness. I do not take anything for sleeping. And the idea of taking something for sleeping kind of freaks me out because I worry about like being dependent on anything. And so, you know, I know some people take different things, and I don't really suffer from stuff, so I shouldn't need to take anything. But even if I did, I don't know if I'd turn to anything because I'd get worried it would be something that I would need to sleep. So this is like pretty. That's what the bottle looks like, which is really pretty. It's glass. It's like a nice color. And I'm not going to open this up because who knows if I'm going to be the one to ever take these or not. Probably not. I might need to figure out who might want these. But they have like the little vitamins in there look kind of interesting. So this is 60 soft gels for $48. It says, perhaps the greatest threat to stress is a good night's sleep. Yet the greater the stress, the more elusive the rest. Sleep Tight was formulated to pull the nervous system back from the heightened state that stress can create and into homeostasis where a relaxed body and calm mind can be reclaimed. Working synergistically with 20 milligrams of certified organic hemp CBD is a balanced blend of 5-HTP and GABA, 2 amino acids that promote relaxation and facilitate sleep. Other functional botanicals, including passion flower, California poppy, chamomile, and hops, enhance the sedative effect of CBD to naturally guide the body into its most restful state. The melatonin-free formula works deeply to ensure you don't just fall asleep. You stay asleep and awake well rested. The superpower ingredients are 5-HTP, California poppy, GABA, organic hemp, and passion flower. This is a different box. I'm trying to think if I wasn't pregnant, how I would feel about the box. Probably I don't think, so I haven't really used CBD much in my skincare. I did mention I had, I can never remember what this is called. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put the name at the bottom. It's a serum that we got through Beauty Heroes that has the hemp liposomes, and it's the D-Drop Humectant. I can't think of the name, but I'll put the brand down there. But it's like D-Drop Humectant Factor Serum, and I am using it. I have used it throughout the pregnancy because I use like one little pump and I don't even use it every single day. So to me, it wasn't something I like worried, you know, about related to pregnancy. I don't know its potency versus something like 600 milligrams CBD in this body oil. And that's like covering a much bigger surface of my body on my skin. Like I use body oil on my arms and my legs. So I would be more hesitant to use that during pregnancy. Uh-oh, my daughter's crying. But I think my husband just came home, so I think everything's covered. And then the rub, I would probably use the rub for pain, not pregnant, if I had like a sore spot or my husband had a sore spot or something. So I think we could probably get some use out of this in the future. I wouldn't be opposed to it. Regarding the Sleep Tight, this is really not my jam. Like I said, I don't really like to take things and to help sleep. So yeah, it's kind of an interesting box, and it's specifically a bit challenging due to being pregnant. So anyways, I just wanted to do a video with the unboxing. I do plan to do a follow-up video for July Beauty Heroes box, which was, I can't even think about the brand right now because I have like pregnancy brain and you know, whatever. So anyways, I will be doing my review on the July box just to kind of, I always like to unbox and then do a review towards the end of the month. I didn't get to do it at the end of the month of July because I was away. So I'm gonna do it pretty soon, I'm hoping. So you'll see that video soon. And there's several other videos I wanna do in the next few weeks. I go away again for a week at the end of August. So I'm hoping in these like first 3 weeks of August, I can get a few videos out because there's a few I would really like to do. I wanna do an update on my no-buy. I don't think it's quite time for my Project Pan update, although I might do it soon while I have the time. I think I actually am due like mid-August, so actually timing is perfect. So hope you get to see a few videos from me in the next few weeks, and thank you for being a subscriber and understanding why my video frequency, filming frequency has been less at everything. I'd love to know your thoughts on this box. If you're a Beauty Hero subscriber, how do you feel about it? Or even if you're not, like, how do you think that you would receive it? I'm kind of curious to see how the community will find it, because I imagine maybe not everybody is open to using CBD in their skincare. So it might be a little bit more polarizing than other discoveries, like monthly discoveries, but I'll have to get on Instagram and YouTube and see what people are saying. So should be interesting. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and click the subscribe button if you'd like to be alerted for when the next video comes out. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.